Hi all, I'm Lothar from Germany, and this is another tutorial about Linux CNC. How to use the Oword for spreading your standard key code, your part, all over the milling table. So to have more parts, the same key code in different places without using the standard coordinate system here, G54 to G49 to set it. Just by adding some numbers. We use the call, Oword call. Let's do it. First we have to put a subversion in here, O100 sub. Put the key code into the sub O100 sub and no end sub. The other way, I always do this wrong here, and sub. So okay, now we can call it O100 with a new x and y coordinate to be milled on this place. Let's say 1.234. Close, that's the x, and the y 2.345. and close it. So now we have here this new x and y coordinate. We have to add it here. So I'm here in Germany, it's German. We reset some numbers here. It's the x will be resetted to x bracket open, let's give it the number 1. You have here where is my x here, the number 1 plus sign. Now the x will be replaced with this one. Here you can have 30 inputs per call. So now we do the y. The y gives here bracket and here the 2 all in here. So you can have a lot of lines here removed quick. And now we have the carriage return. It's the n. And make here carriage return, bracket close, carriage return. This is up and save all here. Now we have to look where the faults are. Here you see here is a comment, here's a fault. You can do it, it's just the example, the way you want. So now it should work here, and reload. We've got the call, the major call, save. Let's give it another square. Let's say here at the same 2.345. So now we have 2 and reload. Here are our squares. Let's give another one. Let's make 4 out of these. Copy it at the square line. Can copy it now all over the place. The number 1 will be resetted with this number, and number 2 will be signed in with this number here. So let's have 2, and now I have 1.234. Save and reload, and you see here it's matching our number. So have a nice use of it. See you at the next tutorial. Bye for me.